Hey guys, it's Wastic. So in the last video we could not show you how to use maki. So in this video I will show you that only. So first of all open it. So it's on the Twitter mode. So see that you can do everything like tweet and whatnot. So if you want to cancel it you may do like that. Then go to the menu and here are more options for the Facebook page settings, send feedback settings, or just want to close the app. So first of all we will see any requests are there or not. These are our Facebook requests. So if you may want, you may confirm it, but it's are mine. So first of all, see Instagram. See everything is working. So I have not signed in with my Google Plus account, so I may not show you, but I may show you my ID like that. These are my videos. So thanks for watching and do subscribe our channel.